Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Akamai Network Engineering, Lecture 03. Network Protocols and Technologies. Introduction to Network Protocols and Technologies. TCP or IP Protocol Suite. Routing protocols, for example, OSPF, BGP, switching technologies, for example, VLANs, spanning tree protocol, network security protocols, for example, IPsec, SSL tells. Conclusion. Introduction to Network Protocols and Technologies. Welcome to this presentation on network protocols and technologies. In today's digital age, networks are everywhere, connecting people and devices across the globe. Understanding network protocols and technologies is essential for anyone who wants to work in IT or simply use technology effectively. In this presentation, we will explore the basics of network protocols and technologies, including the TCP or IP protocol suite, routing protocols, switching technologies, and network security protocols. We will discuss why these topics are important and how they can be used to improve network performance, reliability, and security. The TCP or IP protocol suite is a set of communication protocols used for transmitting data over the internet. It is named after two of its most important protocols, the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP) and the Internet Protocol (IP). TCP provides reliable, ordered, and error-checked delivery of data between applications, while IP handles addressing and routing of data packets between networks. The TCP or IP protocol suite is important for networking because it is the foundation of the internet. Without it, devices would not be able to communicate with each other across different networks and locations. The TCP/IP protocol suite allows for seamless communication between devices, regardless of their location or network type. Routing protocols, for example, OSPF, BGP, routing protocols are a critical component of network infrastructure. They determine how data is transmitted between networks and ensure that traffic is sent along the most efficient path possible. One example of a popular routing protocol is OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. OSPF uses a link state algorithm to calculate the shortest path between 2 points on a network. Another popular routing protocol is BGP Border Gateway Protocol, which is used to connect different autonomous systems (ACEs) on the internet. Switching technologies are used to connect devices on a network, allowing them to communicate with each other. One example of a switching technology is VLANs, which create virtual networks within a physical network. This allows for better organization and management of network resources, as well as increased security by isolating traffic between different groups of devices. Another important switching technology is the Spanning Tree Protocol (STP), which prevents loops in the network by disabling redundant links. This helps to improve network performance and reliability by ensuring that data packets are transmitted efficiently and without interference. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have covered a range of important topics related to network protocols and technologies. We started by introducing the topic and explaining why it is important to understand these concepts. We then delved into the TCP or IP protocol suite, routing protocols like OSPF and BGP, switching technologies such as VLANs and spanning tree protocol, and network security protocols like IPsec and CSCL or TELS. By understanding these concepts, you will be better equipped to design, implement. Conclusion. It is clear that network protocols and technologies are crucial for the modern world, allowing us to communicate and share information in ways that were previously impossible. Whether you are an IT professional or simply interested in technology, it is important to continue learning about these topics to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.